Here's a brand new Schindler 5500 MRL Traction lift at Indooroopilly Shopping Centre. This thing is just opened today, this morning. And I'm one of the very first YouTubers out there to ride it. And this one is under construction. He just started the surgery. So it's going to take a few months before I ride in this one again, but in the meantime, we'll get this one. Here it is. We'll go down to P2. Cab view.
Parking floor 2.
Oh, that's... I've never heard that before. Take a look at the door set. It says Panachrome G3510. Call cancel? No. It has massively improved.
Floor 6. Elevator going down.
And there's the old cab. Pulling apart it. They're pulling apart the old one and then putting the new one in. So that's very cool. And that's it.